Hello everyone, it's Krista with EarthBites, and today I'm going to show you how to make pizza popcorn at home. This recipe is a favorite of the students at EarthBites, so many of you will find this recipe familiar, but I wanted to make it so that you can follow along with your family and make it at home so you can enjoy it there. To get started, we should look at what you need. So to pop the popcorn, you'll need popcorn. I do recommend trying to find organic if possible because it wouldn't have been sprayed with pesticides. If you don't have an air popper, that's not a problem. You can use a popper like this. This is a stovetop popper with a hand crank. With this one, or the stove or the pot, you would add an oil. So I use avocado oil. You can also use coconut oil. I don't recommend olive oil because it's not stable at high temperatures, but avocado oil or coconut oil would be just fine. And a measuring cup. So this is a 1/3 cup measuring cup that I've put in here. I've already put it in. I measured a 1/3 cup of popcorn, and I measured 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. So that's what you need to pop the popcorn. To make the topping, the pizza part, you'll need a small bowl. You will need 1 teaspoon and 1/2 teaspoon measuring spoons. And then for the ingredients that we mix, I use olive oil. The next ingredient is nutritional yeast. This is an excellent source of B vitamins, which is very helpful when you're under stress. B vitamins help with stress. And then we have oregano and basil. So these are great herbs. They have antimicrobial, antibacterial properties in them, and they add fragrance and such a delicious smell. And then we have salt. I like to use Himalayan salt. It has additional minerals in it besides just the salt, so it adds a little bit of nutrients to it. And the final ingredient is garlic powder. I use garlic powder here. Sometimes we use garlic salt. Garlic is part of the allium family, and it's excellent to use and helps with colds and helps your body fight infection and supports the immune system as well. So these are your ingredients. I'm going to go pop the popcorn. I'll see you back here.
Okay, we are back from popping our popcorn. Here's my bowl of popcorn. I also have a spatula that I will mix the popcorn with. I also have my bowl to mix the toppings and my teaspoon and 1/2 teaspoon and my other ingredients for the topping, which are, we'll start first with the nutritional yeast. And I'm putting 2 tablespoons in of nutritional yeast. I have a teaspoon measuring, so that's 6 teaspoons. Measure those out. Our oregano, I'm going to do 1 teaspoon, measure out 1 teaspoon of oregano. Basil, 1 teaspoon of basil. Then we have salt, and for the salt I'm using 1 teaspoon of salt. If you like salty popcorn, then the 1 teaspoon will work for you. If you like less salty, then you can have 1/2 teaspoon. And we have garlic powder. Like I said, sometimes at EarthBites we use garlic salt, but I added salt separately here. So I have 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. I give it a quick mix. It looks so pretty. And then I am ready to add my topping. This is kind of like the glue that will stick the topping, the mixture on. I'm using olive oil. Sometimes we use butter. Sometimes we use a vegetable spread. It really just depends on what we have around us. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of it on here today. There we go. 1, 2. I want to make sure that the oil is evenly distributed on the popcorn. The more oil on each kernel, the more likely your topping will stick. So I've mixed it up, and now I'm ready to add the topping. So I'll add our pizza popcorn topping onto it and mix it up again. And here we go. Delicious pizza popcorn. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll come back again with more videos soon. In the meantime, stay safe and get your hands dirty in the garden. See you later.